Hi, I have here my foot scrubber. This is great when you come out of the shower and you want to take some of that dead skin off your feet. It works great. As you can see, the little flakes coming out. If you have some calluses, you also want to sand them down a little bit. This is great. Works wonderful. And then if you're not able to reach your feet, it stretches out nicely so that you're able to reach those areas that you might not be able to reach otherwise. Okay, and then it comes with an extra piece here brush. So after you're done scrubbing away some of that dead skin, and then you can kind of brush it away and give you a nice smooth skin texture. It comes with two sides. This is a little bit more sharper to get some of those stubborn calluses you want to remove. And this is a little bit smoother with some bumps, so it's a little smoother and easier going to remove or shave off these calluses. It set comes with two, as well as the stick with extension. Also has this little handy rope so you can hang it in a place where you can find it easily when you need it after a shower.